Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best compact cameras. I have made my research, and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option, or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the digital cameras in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word Shutterbug in the video. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best compact cameras on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Yigllo 4K digital camera for photography. This camera is marketed as a premium option for vlogging and photography, boasting 4K resolution, autofocus, and a 180-degree flip screen. It's designed for content creators who need portability and decent video quality. However, user feedback suggests it struggles with durability and the build quality feels a bit plasticky for the price. The autofocus can be inconsistent in low light, and battery life is average, requiring frequent recharges during long shoots. At around $100 to $150, it's an affordable entry point for beginners, but it lacks the refinement of higher-end models. If you're just starting out and need a budget-friendly 4K camera, this could work, but don't expect pro-level performance. Number 9. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a well-known entry-level DSLR, featuring a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, built-in Wi-Fi, and a Digic 4 Plus image processor. It's a solid choice for beginners transitioning from smartphone photography, offering sharp stills and full HD video. The 18 to 55mm kit lens is versatile for everyday shooting, and Canon's lens ecosystem allows for future upgrades. However, it's dated in some areas: no 4K video, a basic 9-point autofocus system, and no touchscreen. Priced around $400 $500, it's a great value for still photography, but lags behind newer mirrorless cameras in video and autofocus performance. This is ideal for hobbyists who want to learn DSLR basics without breaking the bank. Coming at number 8, Chuzhao Vintage Mini Digital Camera. The Chuzhao Vintage Mini Digital Camera is a compact, retro-styled point-and-shoot with 1080p video and 12-megapixel stills. It's marketed as a portable option for beginners, teens, or casual users, coming with a 16GB memory card. Its TLR-style design is aesthetically pleasing, and it's easy to carry in a pocket. However, the image quality is underwhelming, especially in low light, and the autofocus is slow. Priced around $50 $70, it's one of the cheapest cameras on this list, but it feels more like a toy than a serious tool. This is best for kids or casual users who want a fun, inexpensive camera for snapshots. Coming at number 7, Lecnippy Digital Camera. The Lecnippy digital camera is another budget-friendly point-and-shoot, offering 1080p video and up to 44-megapixel stills with 16x digital zoom. It includes features like anti-shake and a compact design, making it appealing for beginners or travelers. However, the high megapixel count is misleading. Image quality doesn't match due to a small sensor, and digital zoom degrades sharpness. The build is lightweight but not particularly durable, and battery life is modest. At around $60–80, it's a step up from the Chuzhao in terms of features, but it still falls short for anything beyond casual use. This is a decent pick for teens or students on a tight budget. Number 6. Fjfjopk Digital Camera. The Fjfjopk digital camera is a compact 1080p point-and-shoot with 44-megapixel stills, 16x digital zoom, and anti-shake features. It's designed for kids, teens, or beginners, with a simple interface and included accessories like a 32GB SD card and 2 batteries. The camera performs adequately in bright conditions but struggles with noise in low light, and the digital zoom isn't very effective. Priced around $70 or $90, it's a bit more polished than the Lecnippy, with better battery life and a slightly sturdier build. This camera is a good choice for young users or those who need a no-frills option for casual photography. Coming in at number 5, Kodak Pixpro Digital Camera. The Kodak Pixpro digital camera, specifically the Fjfjopk model, is a compact point-and-shoot with a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor, 5x optical zoom, and 1080p video. It features a 28mm wide-angle lens, making it versatile for landscapes or group shots. The build is lightweight, and it's easy to use with a 2.7-inch LCD screen. However, the image quality is average, particularly in low light, and the optical zoom is limited compared to competitors. Priced around $100, $120, it's a reliable option for casual photographers who want a trusted brand without spending much. This camera suits travelers or hobbyists looking for simplicity and decent performance. Coming at number 4, Zostuic 4K digital camera for photography and video. The Zostuic 4K digital camera steps things up with 4K video, 48-megapixel stills, and 16x digital zoom. It includes autofocus, anti-shake, and a 3-inch 180-degree flip screen, making it suitable for vlogging and photography. The camera comes with a 32GB SD card and 2 batteries, adding value. While the 4K video quality is decent for the price, the digital zoom reduces sharpness, and low-light performance is mediocre. Priced around $120 or $150, it's a strong contender for content creators on a budget. This camera is great for YouTubers or social media enthusiasts who need affordable 4K capabilities. Coming at number 3, Vjianger 4K digital camera for photography. The Vjianger 4K digital camera is a feature-packed option with 4K video, 56-megapixel stills, and a 180-degree flip screen. It includes Wi-Fi connectivity, a 52mm lens, and 16x digital zoom, along with 2 batteries and a 32GB micro SD card. The autofocus is reliable in good lighting, and the build feels solid for its price range. However, the high megapixel count doesn't translate to exceptional image quality due to the small sensor, and low light performance is average. At around $130, $160, it's a versatile choice for vloggers and beginner photographers who want modern features without a high cost. This camera is ideal for those prioritizing video and connectivity. Coming at number 2, Kodak Pixpro Friendly Zoom Digital Camera. The Kodak Pixpro Friendly Zoom FZ45 is a standout in the budget category, offering a 16-megapixel sensor, 4x optical zoom, and a 27mm wide-angle lens. It records 1080p video and has a 2.7-inch LCD screen. The optical zoom provides better image quality than digital zoom competitors, and the build is durable for everyday use. It's user-friendly, with simple controls that suit beginners. Priced around $90, $110, it's an excellent value for those who want a reliable point-and-shoot with a trusted brand. This camera is perfect for casual photographers who need a versatile, no-fuss option with solid performance. Number 1. Camkory Digital Point-and-Shoot Camera. Topping our list is the Camkory Digital Point-and-Shoot Camera, a fantastic choice for beginners and kids. It features 1080p video, 44-megapixel stills, 16x digital zoom, and anti-shake technology. The camera comes with a 32GB SD card, 2 batteries, and a lanyard, making it ready to use out of the box. Its compact design is easy to carry, and the interface is intuitive, perfect for young users or those new to photography. While it lacks 4K video, the image quality is surprisingly good for its class, especially in bright conditions. Priced around $80 or $100, it offers incredible value for casual users. This camera is the best pick for anyone seeking an affordable, user-friendly point-and-shoot with reliable performance. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best compact cameras. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.